Today I'm going to teach you how to center footer text on mobile in Squarespace. This is particularly useful if you want your mobile site to have a cleaner, more balanced look while keeping your desktop layout unchanged. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Squarespace dashboard where all your websites are listed. Once you're on the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to center the footer text on mobile. This will open up the editor for that specific site, giving you access to all the customization tools you need. Now focus your attention on the left side of the screen, click on Website, and directly under it, you'll see Pages. Click on that option. This is where you can manage all the structural elements of your site, including navigation and footer settings. Again, keep your focus on the left side menu. This time, look for Custom Code and click on it. Under that section, you'll find Custom CSS. Click on it to open the Custom Styling Editor. This is where we'll be adding the code that specifically targets the mobile view of your footer. Before we add any code, let's switch to mobile view so you can see the changes in real time. Look for the device preview toggle, usually located at the top of the editor, and switch it to mobile view. This helps ensure you're only affecting the mobile layout. Now, I have the code ready here. Feel free to pause the video at this point so you can copy it exactly as shown. This code is specifically designed to center align your footer text only on mobile devices without affecting your desktop layout. Once you've copied the code, paste it directly into the custom CSS field. As soon as you paste it, you should immediately see the footer text on mobile shift to center alignment. This gives your mobile site a more polished and professional appearance. Now, to confirm that your desktop view remains unchanged, switch back to desktop view using the device preview toggle. You'll notice that the footer text on desktop stays exactly as it was before, proving that our code only targets mobile devices. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save to apply your changes. Your footer text will now be centered on mobile while maintaining its original alignment on desktop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.